Did you know that maintaining your home's drain and sewer system is crucial to proper function of your home's foundation, toilets, and tubs? Atlas Butler's team of dedicated technicians are here to ensure your drain and sewer system runs smoothly year-round. You may be wondering what signs of drains and sewage issues can look like in your home. These warnings are often overlooked but can lead to costly problems. Number 1, slow drainage in sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and showers. Number 2, gurgling or bubbling sounds coming from your drains. Number 3, unexpected patches of lush green grass in your yard can indicate a downspout issue. Number 4, foul odors and sewer smells. Our technicians excel in delivering prompt and reliable services for sewer line and drain repairs. The process starts with a thorough camera inspection to identify a wide range of urgent sewer and drain issues. Depending on the diagnosis, technicians will use eco-friendly drain cleaners, employing trenchless repair, and or sewer line patching. When it comes to maintaining your drain and sewer system, Atlas Butler offers specialized services, including a high-pressure hydrojetting, which is a powerful solution that clears the toughest clogs and blockages within your pipes, restores optimal flow, and prevents future issues. Atlas Butler's sewer line repair services include excavation, trenchless line repair, and sewer line patching. Don't wait till it's too late. Take action today to protect your home and your peace of mind. Schedule your drain and sewer services with Atlas Butler, because at Atlas Butler, we take your comfort seriously.
Atlas Butler is at your service call.